During the last 20 years, the production, the distribution and the use of information has changed fundamentally. In times before the digital revolution, information was published only by a few persons, companies, agencies, governments, used by media like newspapers, magazines, books, radio, television, cinema, and by data media like records, CDs and DVDs. By these ways of communication and by these media, the flow of information is only one way, because the recipients aren't able to change their part in this information process. They are passive, they are the recipients. With the development of electronic and especially the digital media like internet and the social media, now every user is able to publish information on platforms like YouTube, Twitter, Facebook and Wikipedia and much more. So the participants of an information process cannot longer be divided into publishers as the active and recipients as the passive, because everyone is able to be a publisher. The applications, the technique used for creation and publishing content to a widespread public can also be used for more private purposes, for example the email, or for a limited community in a company as an intranet. A company's aims for installing an intranet may be to optimize the flow of information in the company. Another aim may be the creation of very specific content for optimizing the workflow. For example, the creation of trainings in work processes and the briefing and security standards, the instruction in new tasks, and for example the orientation of new employees. Another important point may be the collection of data for optimizing the company's structures and the networking with other companies, with other experts or scientists and institutes. And an important aim is the data protection, which is much easier in a limited community like an intranet. Web 2.0 applications offer a range of possibilities for improving a company's competitive capability. If these applications are installed with the agreement of the personnel and with the willingness of the personnel to use it, to be active with. The invention of mobile phones, for example, had a great impact on agriculture companies, because since then the communication between the employees on the construction site and the employer in the office has been much easier. So the companies could improve their communication and their working processes. We think now that the Web 2.0 applications are a new step in this development, and we are sure that this technical development will generate new ways of communication and reception, and we know some of them will prevail, others won't establish because they are useless for agriculture. But we think it's a kind of technical evolution which has a great impact on our lives now and will have in the future, especially in agriculture.